This is our garden. Alright guys, over here in the garden right now. So I have some tomato plants here. So I'm going to do pruning para mas magbigay pa sila ng flowers and fruits sa atin. So and then I'm going to put some support to them like this one. Yeah, like this one because it's already growing, guys. Okay?
I can't believe it every day and night. You are the only one who's on my mind.
Yung iba guys, meron na siyang support and then iba wala pa. So it's already growing, so they already need to have stick on it. Yeah. So I need to give them a support. I need to put some bamboo stick to them, guys. Alright guys, so keep on watching. So I'm gonna be using this, guys, this string, yeah, to tie on the bamboo stick, this string. The weather, guys, today is so good. It's not so sunny, that's why today is the best time to do this. Yes. No, yes, baby. Rudy is there. Okay guys, I'm going to do the trellising. So those are the bamboo sticks, guys. So I'm gonna put all there one by one. Our squash is already big. So this our squash is getting bigger, guys. And then this is cucumber. These two, we got 2 cucumber here, and then the rest are tomato, and then we got 2 chili there. Those 2 guys there are chili. I'm gonna show you how to prune, guys. This is how to prune. You see, guys, our tomato is bigger now. This is how I prune my tomato. If you see something like this, guys, you see here, this in the middle, we have to remove it because this is a sucker. Gonna suck all the energy. And there's another one here, guys. We have to remove. Oh, this guy here already have tomato here. Here. Where's the tomato? 2. There's another sucker here, guys. This is a sucker. See, it's in the middle. We have to remove it like this one. Lots of ants here. I cannot remove this because the flower is here. And then this one, should I remove this? No. Okay, I saw another sucker. It's still small. This one, guy. So we have to remove it. Got 2. I think this one is also a sucker. We have to remove this also. Okay, here guys have already, as you can see, already have flowers, so soon it will give tomato already. So let's go here. Another one, whether there's a sucker. Let's remove. There, is this a sucker? No. See, got hole now. I don't know if those bugs are the one who's eating the leaves. If anyone knows, please comment down below, guys, whether I need to get rid of those bugs. Oh, here, as you can see, guys, it has a very big sucker already. This is a sucker, guys. You see, it's in the center. So we have to get rid of this. So I got my scissor here. So I'm just going to cut here. Okay, this one I think is ready. Okay, so as you can see, guys, meron na tayong flower. Ayun, may flower na. Meron ako nakita, guys, na big sucker. Ito, tinanggal ko na siya kasi ang laki na pala niya. Oh. This tomato here got another sucker here. It has plenty of sucker, so we're gonna remove it here. Okay, and then one more here, so just remove it, and then we're gonna cut all here below, all the leaves here below. Yeah, because it's too low, so we're gonna cut it, so it's not gonna be so. Then another one here, guys. There's another here, guys. There's another sucker here. Let's cut it. And the flower, look, as you can see here, the flower is here. It's flowering. And this one, I don't know if I should cut. Let me see whether there's a flower. Oh, it's not a flower. I think I should cut this one. Looks like it's a sucker. This. I think I'm gonna cut this one here. Let's cut it. So it won't be so bushy. Ito na siya, guys. Nilagay ko na there. So, I'm just gonna tie it. Chili, we got 2 chili there. Lots of fruits. I don't know what is this, guys. Is this a blueberries? Oh, you see? Is this a blueberries, guys? Let me know if if someone knows that this is blueberries. Looks like it's blueberries, so it's just dropping. It's a lot of fruits. These three lots of fruits, and most are only dropping. See, guys? I pick one here. I'm gonna try whether it's sweet. This. Guys, i-try natin to. Itong kinuha ko from the trees. Na looks like raspberry. Looks like blueberry. So, ito siya. So, hinugasan ko na siya, guys. And then, I wanted to try. Ayaw pa-try sa akin ng husband ko kung ano to. But I'm so curious. So, I'm going to try it. Whether it's sweet or bitter or sour. It's sweet, guys. It's sweet. It's sweet. I think it's a fruit, but not so sure if that's the blueberry. I'm gonna search this. It's sweet. It's very nice, guys. Oh. I think this is the blueberry. I'm gonna get more there when I pass by later. Hi guys, so we're home now. So I'm done with gardening. So natapos ko na, guys, yung pagpuprune ng tomato, and then yung pagkakabit ng stick, nung ano niya, nung what they call that, bamboo stick. So we're done putting the bamboo stick there. So my husband helped me to put the bamboo stick, and then I'm the one who tied the bamboo stick. So I can say, guys, that gardening is fun. So thanks, guys, for watching, and see you on my next one.